there, travelers. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to the channel. If you're tuning in today, you're in for a real treat. We're shaking things up with a brand new name and a fresh new vibe. Say hello to PackSmart Travels. Now, you might be asking, why the change? Well, after soaking in all your amazing feedback and taking a long look at our journey so far, I realized we needed a change. We wanted our name to truly reflect what we stand for: smart, efficient, and thrilling travel experiences. And that's how PackSmart Travels came to life. PackSmart Travels is all about enhancing your travel game. Whether you're a veteran explorer or just starting out, we're here to guide you every step of the way. So what's in store with PackSmart Travels? We're doubling down on what we do best. Expect more in-depth travel tips to help you pack efficiently, save money, and journey stress-free. We'll also continue delivering honest, detailed reviews of the essential travel products and gear to smooth out your travels. And yes, there will be loads of exciting travel adventures and destination guides to spark your wanderlust. But that's not all. We're rolling out new segments too, diving into the latest tech gadgets, packing hacks, and packing tips. Plus, we'll keep sharing our personal travel stories and experiences, all to help you travel smarter and better. Now, I invite you to join us on this incredible journey as PackSmart Travels. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our exciting new content. Your support means everything to us, and I can't wait to explore more of this beautiful world with you. So let's travel smarter and better than ever. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy travels. See you in the next video.